Hello! In this video I will show you the process of replacing the headband for the Shure SRH440 earpieces using this headband. Here are some pros and cons so you can better understand what exactly you're paying for, so you can make a decision whether you need this headband or not. Pros: it's relatively cheap, about $21–22. Adjustment parts are made of metal instead of plastic on the original ones. So I think it should last way longer. I have no idea what metal it is, but a magnet won't stick on it. Rotation of headphone caps is better. Is the original one. It comes with a nice headband bumper made of fabric. Well, and overall somewhat decent realization and quality that can allow you to use your headphones again. Here are the cons. Plastic details look quite robust, but original Shure headbands have better quality of plastic. Same can be said about the headband pad. It's decent and soft, but the original one is a bit better. Original headphone cups holders have this little thing. It's used to rotate headphone cups in a particular way. On this headband there's no place for screws, so you can use these parts. You can see it right here. So therefore you can remove this metal brace. You won't need it. Overall movement of plastic parts is a bit clunky. I don't think you can fold them inward like you used to. There's some movement, but you see, it's not the original one. The wire on original ones is a bit thicker. This is a cable from original one. The thickness of this cable is 0.33 millimeters against 0.25 millimeters on this one. Also, wire with insulation is thicker, 1.58 millimeters against 1.18 millimeters on this one. And the last con, it's quite difficult to adjust the size of this headband. At first I thought I was gonna break them or they're stuck. Turns out you have to use some force to do it. Like this. When I first tried to attach headphone caps to this headband, I noticed that this piece of cable right here moves around. And there is actually a small notch on this original headphone caps. I don't know if you can see it. I fiddled around for some time and I noticed that this wire can get caught into this little notch while rotating, so it can damage the wire over time. And that's the only thing that I did off video. I glued this wire in this particular place so it won't move around. Just a little bit of glue, and that's the result. So that's pretty much it. I will solder this off camera and then I show you the result. And so this is it. Final test. Left channel and right channel. Soldering was quite easy. Headband's wires come ready to be soldered, so you don't need to use flux. All you have to do is to reattach your earpads and you're ready to go. Well, I will certainly do that off camera because it's a little bit tedious, and I will show you the final result. That's it. That's the headband replacement from SoundsMate store on AliExpress for Shure SRH 440 and 840. I hope this video will be helpful to you, and good luck repairing your headphones.